which means when he comes back, we have to keep a tight rein on him, because his attempt to settle all debts can derail everything we're looking at.
Sir, you know that Savage is a directional person, and anything he sets his mind to, he's going to do it. How are we going to stop that? How am I going to stop that?
With your training. Keep his attention on you. It's been a while. Why are you acting like I give you something you're not going to enjoy? Okay, be like that. What the hell am I going to do when Raymond discovers that Tony is not just involved, but he led the team that night?
Celine.
You have to answer your phone this time?
Oh. That's my new number. I changed it.
You changed it? That's why I never get you on my call.
Yeah, because I wanted to see if you care and you'd come and look for me.
Well, this proves I care.
Really? He's back. Am I reinstated? Okay.